Yo guys, this is Mad Science. Life is full of unexpected twists. Just yesterday, we were building our projects, creating awesome videos, and now we've had to pause the channels we worked on for 10 years. Not because we wanted to, but because war changed everything. But you know what? It didn't take away our passion for experimenting, for pushing boundaries, and for bringing you something truly unique. Right now, we're in Ukraine, living under constant shelling. But even in these tough times, we refuse to stop creating. That's why we launched a brand new food project, something we've been dreaming about for a long time. Tasty Fingers is all about next-level food experiments, insane flavors, and creative recipes you won't see anywhere else. We're not just cooking, we're bringing the mad science energy into the food world. But here's the deal. We can't do this alone. We want to bring mad science back, but without your support for our new project, we won't be able to make it happen. You've been with us through thick and thin, and now, more than ever, we need your help. Just take a look at what we're doing. We're pushing the limits, making some of the wildest, tastiest dishes you've ever seen. If you've ever enjoyed our content, now's the time to show some love. Subscribe to Tasty Fingers, check out our latest videos, and help us grow this new chapter. This isn't just about food, it's about keeping the spirit of mad science alive. So if you're ready for crazy food experiments, insane flavors, and content that hits different, click the link below and join us. Let's build something amazing together.